Lego. Itadakimasu. Bon appetit. Let's do the soup. Ah, so good. Yum, yum, yum. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna cook chicken coconut soup, and this recipe is kind of inspired by the Tom Kha Gai dish. Since I would like so much to cook the Tom Kha Gai, but I don't have all the ingredients, so yeah, I'll just call it chicken coconut soup. So the ingredients we have of course the chicken, about 360 grams. This is from a chicken thigh. I deboned it and removed the skin also, and then yeah, just cut it into cubes. We have mushrooms, which I soaked already in boiling water for like more than an hour probably already, because I also don't have they supposedly it's oyster mushrooms. I don't have even the white button mushrooms. Yeah, so I'm trying to improvise everything on whatever ingredients I have available at home. So we have the fish sauce, coconut milk, and by the way, I prefer this brand of coconut milk because this really tastes better, because there are cheap ones, but it's already like mixed with some thickener agent, and that I really don't like that one. So this is like, I think it's like 8. What's the ingredients? Let's check it out. It's 80 something like, yeah, there you go. 85% of coconut extract and then water, and that's it. There's no any other additives in there, so I prefer this one. It's a bit expensive for me, but I don't really use much. So next ingredient, we have some sugar. We'll be needing some sugar, and since I don't have really the fresh lemongrass, I'll be using this lemongrass paste. It's gonna be my first time to use this one, so I really don't know what's gonna be, so I'll see how it's gonna taste. And since I don't have the galangal, because galangal is really the main ingredient also in making the tom kha, so I'll be using just the powdered ginger because I also don't have fresh one. And so we have the garlic, we have the kaffir leaves from my indoor plant, and chili. These are also from my indoor chili plant. This is like Philippine kind of chili. Yeah. So first thing is basically we're just mixing almost all the ingredients in the pot. Yeah. So we have the chicken, the garlic, chili. Let's stir a bit the lime or the kaffir leaves. Let's just stir it a bit, just on the sides, just to release the aroma. And get the mushrooms. I already drained it from the water. So, and we'll be needing some ginger powder, maybe a teaspoon of it. Right. And the lemongrass. Let's just try for now a teaspoon of it also, because I really didn't know what's the intensity of the taste of this one. But I've read that it has really less taste than the fresh one, of course. What would we expect? Some water, maybe just 1 cup of water. And 1.5 of the coconut milk. Let's try it out. So 1.5 cups coconut milk. go. Let's just mix it a bit. Oh, by the way, I also forgot about one thing. So one ingredient I forgot is the chicken cube. I actually don't like using much of it, so I'm gonna just use maybe 1/4 of the whole this one cube. Just 1/4. Or you can use more, up to you really a bit. So now it's gonna bring it to a boil. Right. No, make life easy. Make life cooking easy. Just mix everything in. Nothing will go wrong with this. It's just a soup. So I'll just mix it a bit for now. And oh, by the way, we can already add salt. Let's just add for now like 1/2 teaspoon maybe. Better to have not salty than too salty, or else it's gonna be difficult already to adjust. So let's just taste it later. How is it? The saltiness. Right, just mix it for a moment for now. Okay, that's it. And we're gonna cover that, bring it to a boil, and simmer for 20 minutes. So later. So I think it's already boiling. It starts to boil actually. So let's just give it a stir, quick stir. Oh, smells so good. Wow. Wow, coconut milk is life. That smells really nice. So now we're gonna lower down the heat and simmer it for 20 minutes or so, more or less. Right, it's already like halfway. Let's check it out. Ooh, steamy. Ooh, so that's how it looks like. Let's give it a stir. Oh, it really smells so good. Right, let's continue simmering it. So now it's been about 20 minutes. Let's check the soup out. So, what do we have here? Something smells so gorgeous, and even our cat is so excited about it. If you can hear him meowing. Yeah. You know, he's my live viewer every time I cook something. You can add really like a teaspoon of fish sauce. Oops. But you can skip this if you don't want it, because it was not salty enough also, that's why fish sauce is salty. And we're gonna adjust the taste now. We can add some more of the lemongrass paste, because I want some of the fragrance and taste in there. Stop, but I'm gonna add another teaspoon of the powdered ginger powder, whatever, whichever is the right one. Oops, I made a mess. By the way, I want to check the meat if they're really soft already. I really wanted it very, very soft, so I'm gonna simmer it still for 10 more minutes. Right? Let's simmer it more. Simmer for 10 minutes more. Or it might be even longer. The longer it is, the softer it is. Alright. 10 minutes is over. So total cooking time was like 30 minutes or so. And yeah, they're really soft now. That's enough. That's done. Right. Our Chicken coconut soup is done. This, you gotta eat this with rice. Sure. The soup is so good. Pour in the rice. It's nice. Yum.